Hello, everyone. My name is Aria. Today, I want to talk about something special, my favorite hobbies. I will speak slowly and clearly. So, get comfortable and let's begin. Hobbies are the little things that make life colorful. They help us relax, feel happy, and discover new talents. One of my favorite hobbies is photography. I love taking pictures of flowers, sunsets, and cute little things around me. A beautiful photo can capture a wonderful memory. Another hobby I enjoy is baking. I like making cookies and cupcakes. The sweet smell in the kitchen always makes me smile. I also enjoy collecting postcards. I have postcards from different cities and countries. Every postcard tells a different story. I love learning new things about the world. Another interesting hobby is birdwatching. Sometimes I sit in the park and watch small birds flying in the sky. It makes me feel peaceful and connected to nature. I also enjoy learning new languages. I love discovering new English words and expressions. Every new word feels like a little treasure. One of my relaxing hobbies is doing puzzles. I enjoy solving jigsaw puzzles on rainy afternoons. It helps me think carefully and improves my concentration. I also like gardening. I have a few small plants in my room. I water them every morning and watch them grow. Taking care of plants makes me feel calm and responsible. Sometimes I enjoy stargazing. At night, I look at the moon and the stars. The sky is so beautiful and full of mysteries. I also love scrapbooking. I keep photos, tickets, and small memories in a scrapbook. It is like making a book of happy moments. Hobbies do not have to be expensive. They can be simple, fun, and meaningful. A hobby can teach us patience, creativity, and confidence. For me, hobbies are tiny adventures that make every day special. These are my hobbies. I enjoy photography, baking, collecting postcards, birdwatching, learning languages, solving puzzles, gardening, stargazing, and scrapbooking. What about you? What are your favorite hobbies? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aria Daily English for more easy English lessons.